What if your pool robot didn't need daily cleanup at all? Let's break down how the Beatbot AquaSense X cleans itself. When we say maintenance-free, we're talking about automation, not neglect. AquaSense X handles filter cleaning and debris management on its own, so instead of constant hands-on work, your pool care routine becomes much simpler. After each cleaning cycle, all you do is dock the robot. From that moment on, the Astro Rinse station takes over completely. Once docked, the station immediately starts a filter cleaning process before charging begins. The robot opens its floating debris door and a high-pressure rotating nozzle moves into the robot's filter basket and begins spraying water for approximately 30 seconds. During this phase, the robot's filter basket bottom lid remains closed. This first rinse wets the debris and builds up water inside the filter basket, so dirt, leaves, and fine particles can release more evenly instead of sticking. After that initial rinse, the spray continues and the filter basket bottom lid opens. The debris then drops into the station's debris bin. Inside the station, the opening lever moves back and forth to spread the debris out, helping prevent it from piling up in one spot. And the spray nozzle continues rinsing for 60 seconds. The entire cleaning sequence is repeated once more to make sure all debris is fully removed. After the second cycle, the spray nozzle rotates back to its original position and the robot's floating debris door closes. The complete self-cleaning process takes about 3 minutes. Once it's finished, charging starts automatically and you will hear the voice prompt, "Self-clean complete." The filter is freshly rinsed every time, which helps maintain strong suction and consistent performance from one cycle to the next. After every cycle, the robot is cleaned, charged, and ready for the next run. All of this happens without any manual handling. Cleaning the filter is only part of what makes AquaSense X low maintenance. The other big piece is how often you actually have to deal with debris, and this is where the system really stands out. The Astro Rinse station is equipped with a 22-liter debris storage bin, making it the first self-cleaning pool robot system in the industry to offer this level of debris capacity. Under typical pool conditions, it can hold the equivalent of over 3,000 medium-sized leaves before it needs to be emptied. In real-world use, that can translate to up to about 2 months between emptying, though I wouldn't recommend waiting that long. And instead of rinsing out a dirty container, the system uses a disposable dust bag. You simply lift out the sealed bag, toss it, and drop in a new one. No direct contact with wet debris. With the self-cleaning station's 22-liter debris basket, debris emptying is required far less frequently, typically around once a month, depending on environmental conditions. And that's the kind of convenience that makes pool cleaning feel less like a chore and more like something that just quietly runs in the background. Maintenance-free also means not having to rerun cleaning cycles because debris was missed. That's where Hybrid Sense AI Vision on AquaSense X comes in. The system combines an AI camera with infrared and ultrasonic sensors, creating a multi-sensor perception system capable of identifying up to 40 types of pool debris. This includes a wide range of leaf species, seeds, fruits, insects, and even different debris patterns, whether debris is floating, sinking, clustered, or spread across the pool. From oak, maple, palm, and pine leaves to acorns, pine cones, berries, and flying insects. By recognizing what kind of debris it's dealing with, the robot can adjust how it cleans to reduce missed debris. If you turn on water contamination monitoring in the app, AquaSense X checks water quality while it's cleaning the pool floor. Once the cleaning cycle is finished, the app shows you a clear result. If the system detects heavy contamination, you'll see a prominent warning icon on the app's home cleaning records. For detailed insights, you can tap into the cleaning record for more details, where the app gives you practical suggestions, like running your circulation pump or increasing cleaning frequency. So instead of guessing based on how the water looks, you're getting data-backed feedback that helps you act early and keep your pool in better shape over time. During floor cleaning, the robot starts with 2 full passes across the pool floor, using a precise S pattern. Then switches to debris detection with AI Cruise debris detection, scanning again on a larger S path to look for any plant debris that might have been missed. If it finds something, the robot adjusts its path and picks it up, ensuring nothing gets left behind. When you need a faster cleanup, AI Quick Mode is built for that. It focuses on target debris, like leaves and other plant debris on pool floors, also scanning the debris by a large S-path and go grab the debris. Compared to standard floor cleaning, it can finish up to 50% quicker when only cleaning the floor. It's great for quick touch-ups between full cleans or when debris suddenly shows up. Smarter cleaning, less waiting. For night or low-light cleaning, the dual 1500LX front LED lights switch on automatically when the robot's camera detects low light, enabling the camera to see clearly. The robot doesn't follow a fixed schedule or timer. It responds to actual lighting conditions. For pool opening or extremely dirty pools, a quick manual pre-clean is still recommended. So when we say maintenance-free, we're not talking about a single feature. We're talking about a system that's designed to keep you out of the mess. The robot finishes each cycle clean, charged, and ready to go. That's how Beatbot AquaSense X helps turn pool care into something that requires far less attention.